Ready when you are.
Okay. Hi there, Goldie Urquhart with Cooking with Goldie. And today what we're going to be doing here is I'm going to show you how to make oven fried fish. And I don't like strong tasting fish. So my husband loves rockfish. I don't. So I soaked the rockfish in milk for about 5 hours, and I'm just draining that off now. And I'm going to put the skin side down here, and I'm going to set the skin side down right. And I took some wax paper and went ahead and put my breadcrumbs in there. And I'm going to take a little bit of the Bon Cook lemon dill herbs, just a little bit. Remember, less is best sometimes, so we're just taking a little bit and sprinkling that over it. There, because sometimes the herbs can be too strong, but a little bit can just be magic for it. And then putting a little bit of salt. And some black pepper. I love black pepper. Black pepper really seems to enhance fish. Now I'm going to do the other side here and breading it. Now that that's done, I'm just going to take this out, put it on the Flexi Flat. Now you can cook on, Leslie, how high can you cook on with the Flexi Flat?
They go into temperatures up to 480.
Okay, but we're just going to do 425 degrees for about 10 minutes. And I'm using a little bit of melted butter over the top. Now, nothing's going to stick on this. So I'm just drizzling a little bit of butter. I'm not drenching it in butter. And this is going to go in the oven. I'm going to check it after about 10 minutes because each oven cooks differently. So we've got this in here, and we'll see you in a few minutes.